Toyota Camry 2004 version, 9-inch, install Android GPS big screen player, IPS screen, multi-angle view, still same color, 2.5D glass capacitance touchscreen with OEM good fitting casing and OEM socket plug and play, power socket plug and play. Connect with U5 two-way DVR, front and rear recorder. Okay, let me show you for the reverse. This is reverse camera. Okay, back to normal. Okay, for DVR, you have to go to full menu, scroll through the APK install, high definition recorder. So this is front recorder. Touch it, switch to the rear recorder. You can switch it and you can click for the playback to play back the video. So got a front folder and rear folder. That's it. Okay, DSP. Got a preset channel, 14 band DSP, Android version 9.0. Okay, back to home. Go to car setting. Okay, the first one, scroll down, device info, Android version 9, 2GB RAM, 32GB storage. This is a version for AC8227L. High receiver FM frequency. Okay, split screen function, dual screen function, and picture video PIP, picture in picture. Bluetooth call and Bluetooth music. Video input, video output, and an app download. So it's got a GPS antenna here to detect your car, and also a Mohawk component. Split screen function, left right screen. So one side for the GPS, one side for video also can. Reverse. Back to normal. Close the split screen. Clear apps. Back to home. So this is AQ 2+32 Android GPS 9-inch big screen player with OEM casing and OEM socket plug and play. U5 DVR, front and rear DVR. Rear camera. So installed by one piece and video by Andy. Thank you.